Hello children, welcome to your maths class. Our today's topic in maths is understanding multiplication. So let us see what it is. So first, what is multiplication? To increase a number by the number of times mentioned is multiplication. So that means 3 multiplied by 3 makes 9. So this 3 is getting increased by 3 times, and as it gets increased by 3 times, the answer that we get is 9. It is the repeated addition. Why it is repeated addition? 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 9. So 3 is, we have written 3 for 3 times. So it is getting repeated for 3 times. So that is why it is repeated addition. So here we can see that there are 3 circles 1, 2, 3 in first group, again 3 circles in second group, again 3 circles in third group, and they make 9. Now symbol of multiplication is this cross or X. So 3 multiplied by 3 or 3 into 3 is written like this when we put the symbol. It is 9. The answer that we get after multiplying two numbers is called the product. The answer that we get after multiplying 2 or 3, okay, the answer that we get is called product. Like 3 into 3 is equal to 9. So 9 is called product. Now children, take out your living maths book and turn to page number 58. There are some warm-up exercises. Let us see what are they. How many groups, how many in each group, and how many in all. So, number 1. Here we can see that there are, first let us count that how many groups are there. 1, 2. So, 2 equal groups of 1, 2. So, in each group or in one group, there are 2 birds. So, that means 4 in all. So, what is the addition fact? 2 plus 2, that is equal to 4. And multiplication fact is 2, that means 1, 2. Number of groups, that is 2, into number of birds in each group, that is again 2. So 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Now number 2. First let us see how many groups are there. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we can see that there are 4 groups. So 4 equal groups of 1, 2, 3. 3 butterflies, that means 12 in all. So what is the addition fact? 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, that is equal to 12. So children, as there are 4 groups and in each group there are 3 butterflies, that is why I have written 3 for the 4th times. And what is the multiplication fact? Number of groups, that is 4, multiplied by 3. That means number of butterflies in each. Each means 1. So number of groups into number of butterflies in each group. That is 4 into 3 is equal to 12. Now number 3. 3 again. First let us count the number of groups. 1, 2, 3. So 3 equal groups of 4 bees. That means 12 in all. Why? Addition fact. 4 plus 4 plus 4, that is equal to 12. And multiplication fact is 3, that is 3 equal groups into 4 bees, that is 12. Now number 4. Here how many groups are there? 1, 2. So 2 equal groups of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 equal groups of 5, that means 10 in all. So what is the addition fact? 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is equal to 10, and multiplication fact is 2 equal groups. So 2 into 5, that is number. How many number in each or one group? That is 5. So 2 into 5 is equal to 10. Now please turn to page number 59. Multiplying by 2. First, let us see how many groups are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, 6 groups of 2 each makes 12. So, why 2 each? We can see in each group or in one group there are 2 leaves. Okay. So, 6 into 2 is equal to 12. Here we can see 6 multiplied by 2 is equal to 1 to 12. So 2 is added 6 times to make 12. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, that is equal to 12, which is repeated addition fact. So 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 2 means number of groups multiplied by number of leaves in each group, that is 12. So here we can see number of groups multiplied by number of leaves in each group, that is 12. Now let us see this exercise. Here we can see how many groups are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 groups of 1, 2. So in each group there are 2 balloons. So 5 groups of 2 balloons each makes 10 balloons in all. So altogether there are 10 balloons, or 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, that is equal to 10. So 2 is written how many times? 5 times. So multiplication fact is number of groups, that is 5, into number of balloons in each group, that is 2, which is equal to 10. So here we can see the repeated addition fact and the multiplication fact. Now let us go to page number 60. Exercise 4.1. Complete the table. First, here we can see that there are few flowers. So number of groups. Here there is only one group. So number of groups 1. Flowers in a group. Here we can see 1, 2. 2 flowers. So flower in a group is 2. Now flowers in all. So here we can see only 2. So 2. So repeated addition fact is 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, and multiplication fact is 1 into 2 is equal to 2. So why 1 into 2? 1 means number of group, that is 1, multiplied by number of flowers in each, that is one group. So 1 into 2 is equal to 2. Now let us see this one. Number of groups 1, 2. So 2. Flower in a group 2, and flower in all 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4. Now what is the repeated addition fact? 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, as there are 2 in each group. So 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, and the multiplication fact is number of groups, that is 2, multiplied by number of flowers in each group, that is again 2. So 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4. Now B. Match the addition fact with the correct picture and multiplication fact. Number 1 is done. 2 plus 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 2. So how many times 2 are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times. So that means here we can see that there are 8 groups of star. And how many stars in each group? 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it is 8 multiplied by 2. And number 2, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So how many 2s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here we can see that there are 7 groups of 2 triangles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 into 2 as 2 triangles in each group. Now skip count by 2. Begin at 2 and color every second number. So 1, then 2. So we are starting from 2. Then skip means you have to leave 1 and then you have to count the next one. Okay. So 2, then we are not counting 3, then 4, then 6, then 8, then 10, then 12, then 14, then 16, then 18, and then 20. Now children, turn to page number 61. Read the 2 times table, write the multiplication fact. So 1 times 2 is 2. Time means multiplication or into. 1 times 2 is 2 or 1 into 2 or 1 2s are 2. 2 times 2 is 4 or 2 2s are 4. 3 times 2 is 6 or 3 2s are 6. 4 times 2 is 8 or 4 2s are 8. 5 times 2 is 10 or 5 2s are 10. 6 times 2 is 12 or 6 2s are 12. 7 times 2 is 14 or 7 2s are 14. 8 times 2 is 16 or 8 2s are 16. 9 times 2 is 18 or 9 2s are 18. 10 times 2 is 20 or 10 2s are 20. No? Now, Skippy jumped 2 steps each time means 1 time. So, 0 to 2 is 1 step. 2 to 4 is second step. This is first step. 2 to 4 is second step. 4 to 6 is third step. 6 to 8 is fourth step. 8 to 10 is fifth step. 10 to 12 is sixth step. And 12 to 14 is seventh step. So 7 jumps of 2 steps. So how many steps? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So Skippy jumped 7 times with 2 steps. Okay. So how many times did Skippy jump? 14 times. Why? Write the multiplication fact. 7 into 2, that is equal to 14. Now turn to page number 62, exercise 4.2. Write the multiplication fact. Here we can see number A. This is exercise A. Here we can see in number 1 there are few watermelons. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So first let us count how many groups are there? 1 group, 2 groups. So number of groups into number of watermelons in each group, that is 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So 2 into 2 is equal to 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and here 4. Now again the next one, number 2. So let us count how many groups are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So number of groups are 7 into how many cherries are there in each group? 2. So that means 7 into 2 is equal to 14. Now let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So there are 14 cherries. Now B. Write the correct number in the circle. Write the multiplication fact. So, here we can see that how many times it jumps. 1 jump, 2 jump, 3 jump, 4 jump, 5 jump, 6 jumps. So, 6 jumps of 0 to 2, 1 step, 2 to 4, 2 steps, 4 to 6, 3 steps, 6 to 8, 4 steps, 8 to 10, 5 steps, and 10 to 12, 6 steps. So, here we can see 6 jumps of 0 to 2. This is skipping 2. So, 2 steps each. So, 6 into 2 is equal to 12. Same, here we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, 9 jumps of 2 steps each. That is 9 into 2 is equal to 18. Total 18. Now, page number 63. Doubles. So, children, first you have to understand what is the meaning of the word doubles. Lata has 5 pencils. Ankita has double the number of pencils. So, what is double? 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. Double means adding the number to itself. Itself means the same number. Here we can see 5 is added to 5. So, adding the number with the same number. So, 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. This is the addition fact. And what is the multiplication fact? 5 into 2. So, children, doubles means 2. Always understand and remember that doubles means 2. So, it also means multiplying the number by 2. So, 5 into 2 is equal to 10. So, write the doubles. This is the number. So, what is the double? 3 into 2 is 6, or 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. 8 into 2 is 16, or 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. Number is 6. So, 6 into 2 is 12, or 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. 1 into 2 is 2, or 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Now, turn to page number 64. Skip count by 5. Begin at 5 and color every fifth number. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Then 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Then 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Then 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Then 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Then 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Then 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Then 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So, children, this is also the table of 5. How? 5 ones are 5. Then 5 twos are 10. Then 5 threes are 15. Then 5 fours are 20. Then 5 fives are 25. 5 sixes are 30. 5 sevens are 35. 5 eights are 40. 5 nines are 45. And 5 tens are 50. Page number 65. Bunny wants to reach the grass. He jumps 5 steps each time. So, 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20. So, how many jumps? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 4 jumps of 5, 0 to 5, 5 steps. So, 5 to 10, again 5 steps. So, 4 jumps of 5 steps each. That means, how many times does bunny jump? 20 times. Write the multiplication fact. 4, that is number of jumps into 5 steps, that is equal to 20. Now exercise 4.3. Write the correct number in the circle. Write the multiplication fact. So here number 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 jumps of 0 to 5, 5 steps, 5 to 10, 5 steps, 10 to 5, 5 steps. So 7 jumps of 5 steps each. That is 7 into 5 is equal to 35. Now number 2, again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 jumps of 0 to 5, 5 steps, 5 to 10, 5 steps. So 5 jumps of 5 steps each. That means 5 into 5 is equal to 25. Now children, turn to page number 66. Multiplying by 10. Tina keeps her storybooks neatly. There are 3 shelves of books. One first shelf, second shelf, third shelf. So there are 3 shelves altogether. Each shelf has 10 books. So in each, that means in one shelf, Tina has kept 10 books. So repeated addition fact, 10 plus 10 plus 10, that is equal to 30. As there are 3 shelves, so 10 is written for 3 times, that is equal to 30. And multiplication fact is number of shelves, that is 1, 2, 3, so 3 into number of books in each, that is one shelf. So 3 into 10 is equal to 30. So total books 30. Now there's another sum. Ramu's shop has 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 necklaces. Okay. Each necklace has 10 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So each necklace has, that means one necklace has 10 beads. So repeated addition fact is 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. Why? Because here there are 4 necklaces. So I have written 10 for 4 times. So 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 40. And the multiplication fact is 4. That means number of necklaces, that is equal to 4, into number of beads in each necklace, that is one necklace, that is 10. So 4 into 10 is equal to 40. So total beads 40.